Hey clean company owners, welcome back. It's Rick from Clean Launch, and what we're going to talk about today is how I bought my dream car with my cleaning business. So let's check it out. And the thing about having a commercial cleaning business is that you actually make a lot more profit compared to doing residential jobs, because for 5 years, over 5 years, I was doing residential jobs, and when you're playing around with $150, $200 here, $300 here and there, to build a real business, you need to have recurring revenue, and you need to play around with big contracts that are paying $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 every single month. So let's check this out. Alright guys, so I know what you guys might be asking, how did I buy this car with my cleaning business? And we simply gotta do the math, alright? I paid about $170 for this car. And if you guys find a commercial cleaning contract, let's just do some examples. It's an 8-hour per visit contract, 5 days a week, alright? That right there would be about $6,000 per month if you're charging around $35 per hour, right? You find a subcontractor or a cleaner and you pay them $20, $25 an hour, and you keep the remaining of the profits. So if you were to have a $6,000 contract per month and you subbed it out for $4,000, leaving you with $2,000 profit every single month. And to be honest, I only pay $1,900 per month for this car. So just with one commercial cleaning contract, I'm able to drive my dream car, right? And what if I found another commercial cleaning contract about the same size? That would pay for my rent. All right, guys? So this is why you got to focus on ongoing commercial cleaning business. So if you want to grow your commercial cleaning business all done for you, all right? And what I mean by that, so the first week, in order to build a very successful commercial cleaning business, you're going to need two things. Number one, you need to have an establishment. Right? How can a client trust you with their office keys, alarm code, if you just tell them how good you're gonna clean? All right? You need to have a basic establishment to gain the client's trust. Why pick you over compared to the hundreds of other cleaning companies in your city? All right? You gotta have a good website, proposal, flyers, reviews online. All right? You gotta have a walkthrough formula to actually close those meetings. So the first week, we help you launch your commercial cleaning business, provide all the tools you need, and then we help you one-on-one with one-on-one coaching. So you start reaching out to all these businesses, you start doing walkthroughs, because with thousands of commercial buildings in your city, each one of them gets dirty, right? Of course. So someone needs to clean them. So if you haven't closed a commercial cleaning contract yet, it's because you haven't been doing the right things. So guys, schedule a call with my consultant if you want to grow your commercial cleaning business. We're going to launch all the tools you need the first week, all right? And then you follow our outreach formula. So you start reaching out to all these businesses strategically. And then once you get to 10K per month or 15K per month and you have a marketing budget, then you can start running Google ads. So you can start getting leads on autopilot, all right guys? And then you find those contracts. You find an amazing cleaner or subcontractor. You put them in place, you keep them accountable, you answer your client emails, you do your inspections, you change the cleaner when it's needed, and there shouldn't be any reason why you shouldn't make money every single month. So imagine what your business would look like with 10, 20, 30 ongoing commercial cleaning contracts, and then you systemize them. All right, guys? So if that's you, and you want to grow your commercial cleaning business, schedule a call below with my consultant and we'll go over how we can help you grow your cleaning business. Book a call. See you guys soon.